My name is Clay Carter. I'm a senior here at Dobyns-Bennett, and I'm doing fire maintenance at Eastman. And what we do is we go around and we check all the fire suppression. We got all the water valves and all the fire alarms and all that kind of stuff. And we test it to make sure if something does go wrong at Eastman, then we have that in place.
What would you like to do or plan to do after you graduate from Dobyns-Bennett and have your finish your experience at Eastman?
Whenever I graduate, I want to go out west and be a wildland firefighter for a few years, and then after that, my plan is to come back here and try to get on with Kingsport Fire Department or somewhere around in here.
Okay, and would you recommend this work-based learning to somebody who may be a sophomore or junior who's in career technical and thinking about this kind of career?
Yes, for sure. It's definitely a great learning experience to be able to go into something and test new careers out and see what you might possibly want to do in the future and learn a lot about different stuff you wouldn't learn without this experience.
Are you going to consider, or have you considered going to a community college or technical school at some point in your career?
Yes, whenever I get back from out west is when I want to go. I'm going to go to Northeast State and get my paramedic and then go out and fight fires with Kingsport or some station around.